Hello, this is your boy Miguel from the Mobile 757. You know how to get down. I'm in a Toyota. What year is this, ma'am?
2009 Camry.
2009 Camry. Customer is considering buying this vehicle. So this is just something that I look for in the pre-purchase used car inspections. The check engine light is on. So that's already a no-no and a big old bad sign. So also I'm going to show you how to check the condition of your engine if you do not have a fancy diagnosing machine. This diagnosing machine will be in the description when this video comes out if you wish to buy it. So she has 250,000 miles on this vehicle. So one of the things I do besides looking at the mileage, I let the car warm up as it already is. It's very simple. This works on all cars of any make, model, brand, and year. All you have to do is come right over here. I've already heated the car up, and as you can see, there's some kind of oil leak. I don't know what that's going on. But this is a pre-purchase inspection, and all you have to do is take off your oil cap. If you see a bunch of smoke pouring out, I ain't talking about a little bit, a whole bunch of smoke pouring out, do not buy this car. So we're going to do this live. We're going to take the cap off, and what do you know? It looks like somebody's smoking a cigar. Do not in shape, form, way buy this car. This car is wore out. The rings and all that other good stuff is a matter of time, and this is not a longevity car in any shape, form, or way, or worth anything that they're asking for. This is just a pre-purchase used car inspection tip that you don't even need anything except your eyes. Again, I repeat, warm the car up, turn the car off, take the oil cap off. A little bit of smoke over 100,000 miles, it's acceptable. But when you have a bunch of smoke pouring out like that, that is unacceptable trying to buy a car. You're buying somebody else's issue. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.